Hello again and welcome everyone to G Squared, where excellence is epitomized. I'm Gilly Gills here to simplify things for you. Now today we want to talk a little bit about writing chemical formulae using prefixes. Yeah, as you can see there on the board. So we're going to write chemical formulae using prefixes. Now, of course, you know prefixes is not a chemistry term, so it's not something that you're only going to find in chemistry. You're going to find it in other subjects as well. But for chemistry purposes and for other purposes as well, a prefix represents a number. So for you to write the formula of a species which has a prefix, you need to know what those prefixes mean in terms of number. So what I've done for you, I've written down the most common prefixes that you'll see there, up to 5, and the number that they represent. So you have mono, which means 1, bi or di, which means 2, tri, which means 3, tetra, which means 4, penta or pent, which means 5. Of course, you know you have hexa, hepta, octa, nona, deca, you know, which is 6 to 10. But we're only going to be focusing on 1 to 5 today, just for you to get the idea of what's going on. So, here you have over here a compound, dinitrogen pentoxide. You see it first and you're like, oh my god, what on earth is that, you know? But it's nothing bad, it's nothing too bad. Now I'm going to show you how you can simply write the formula of something like that. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to identify the elements present. So dinitrogen pentoxide, that tells you that it's coming from nitrogen and oxygen. So once you have identified the elements, write those down. Now once you have identified the elements, the next thing you need to do is to identify the number of each of these elements present. Now the prefix, you see there, the prefix is going to tell you the number of elements present. So in the first example you see it's dinitrogen. So you check your table, di, oh, and di means 2, so it means that there are 2 nitrogens present. So all I need to do is just write down 2. Then we need to identify the number of oxygens present. The name of the compound is dinitrogen pentoxide. But what on earth does pent mean? Don't worry. See right there? Pent or penta means 5. So it means that the species contains 5 oxygens. So let's just write that down. And there you have it. Dinitrogen pentoxide. It's as simple as that. But hold on. Let's do another one just to shorten our skills a little bit. Here you have sulfur trioxide. Nothing has changed too much. You may not have seen this before. You don't know it or anything, but don't worry. Let's work through it together. First thing again, write down the elements present. In this case, you have sulfur and you have oxygen. Okay, so we have identified our elements, sulfur and oxygen. How many sulfurs are present? Hold on. There's no prefix. So how am I going to know how many sulfurs are present if there's no prefix? Well, guess what? If there's no prefix, it means that only 1 sulfur or 1 of that element is present. Okay? No prefix, only 1 present. So it's only 1 sulfur. Alright, so we're good with the sulfur. Then now the oxygen. How many oxygens are present? It says tri. So you check your table. Tri means 3. So all I need to do is write the 3 down. And that's sulfur trioxide. Simple as that. Well, let's just make sure we have everything tight, locked down. We do a third one. This case it's carbon dioxide. And you're like, oh my god, I see this every day. Yeah, you see it every day, but I want to show you how we get the formula carbon dioxide. In this case, your 2 elements, carbon and oxygen. So that's your 2 elements. How many carbons present? No prefix again. No prefix means that it's only 1 carbon. And then for the oxygen, it says di. So di means 2. Hey, so it's 2 oxygens. And there you have it, CO2. And that's it right there. That's how you use prefixes to write the formula for species. First thing, you identify the elements present. Second thing, you use the prefixes to determine the number of each of those elements present. Alright, so there you have it. Please feel free to like, share and subscribe to my channel, G Squared Academy, where excellence is epitomized. You can leave your comments or questions below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope this helps you in all of your studies in writing formula. See you next time.